Hi Senthil, how are you?
I'm fine, Manish. How about you?
Yeah, I'm great. Shall we start then?
Yeah,
Okay. Senthil, I want you to automate one scenario for me, like log into Facebook.
okay.
Yeah, please share your screen.
Is my screen is visible?
Yeah, it's no. Don't write the main method. Write
Okay,
annotation.
okay.
You can change it here only.
Okay.
Just delete the main method and write annotation. You can also talk what are you doing.
Okay. Here in this program, in the before test annotation, I just fetch Facebook.com and initiate by Google Chrome driver, and also by using maximize the driver by using driver.manage.window.maximize. in this test framework, I just locate the email ID by using ID tag name as ID, and in this it will be this is the element. So I have call out in web element. I have stored the data in web element. So after locating the web element, I have sent the data. After sending the data, I have located the another password element. So this also stored by web element. Then I have again send the keys. Then again locate the login submit button. So we have to find the unique ID. So the name we have then we use click button to click. So after test using to quit the browser.
Look at line number 38.
So I am using hot clip for 5 seconds.
Before closing the browser.
Before closing the browser.
Wonderful. Now, Senthil, I want you to generate an XML file for this test.
Okay. So generating file for the XML is once locate the file. After that, by using right click it, we can see TestNG. So convert to TestNG. So we get the pop-up as generate XML file. So we give next. Before next, we have to name the file.
We can.
Automate TestNG Facebook. Then next. Then finish it.
Okay. Also run this from XML.
Yeah. It's under in the package. It's under last folder test output. Under the test output, we can see our testml file. We store the name as automate underscore TestNG Facebook XML. So here it's automatically fetch the class and the package name and the class name. So by using run, we can able to run by using XML file.
Okay. Okay, Senthil, now go to the same test case. And can you enable parallel testing for this test case?
Yeah, definitely. In this parallel testing, we can access by using parameter. So before after test, we use parameter. In this parameter, we have to name it as what is the parameter. I have set the browser as a parameter. So
see, one mistake happened here. You are launching the browsers here, right?
Yeah.
So this parameter will not be in test. It will be in this annotation.
Okay.
So you're in this program, you're launching the browser here, right? So you need to write this parameter after before test.
Okay.
Wherever you're launching browser, there you have to write.
Okay, sir.
And one more thing. When you're writing parameters, right? No need to write here key. You can delete it. It's not needed.
Okay.
That is applicable for listener concept, but in this data provider concept, it's important. But here, it's not needed. It's just like this.
Okay. So in this parameters, we are activating by using if concept. In this if, we have to send the browser name. So I have string browser is equal to if this browser is equal to Chrome, then you will initiate Chrome driver. So I have down this concept in the login page. Else if browser is equal to Firefox, then driver execute Firefox. Else if browser equal to Edge, then driver execute the Edge. So after fixing the
Line
parameter.
29.
Okay.
And Senthil, one more thing. Can you also pay attention to your line 25 and 29? I feel there is some issue.
Browser equals to H5.
Else if won't come.
Okay.
The way else if work is different. So you have to write here if.
Okay.
Because you're doing parallel testing, right? Parallel means you want all the three conditions to satisfy.
Yeah.
So you just have to write if. You agree with me?
Yes, I.
Okay. Okay.
Then we are moving to the XML file. In this
Excellent.
XML file, there is classes there. Inside the classes, the class will be there. Before the classes, we have to send the parameter. So in this parameter, there is name and value. So we have to fetch the name for parameter name. So the name will be the browser, and the values will be anything. So I have fetched by using Firefox. And also here I mentioned it as Firefox, but there it is not initial. Okay. Okay. Then now I am running the file.
So this test case will get launched now in Firefox, is it?
Firefox.
Okay. Yeah. So this is Firefox. Wonderful. Yeah, now you can do parallel testing.
Okay. So
If you need my help, please ask. I'll guide you, okay? Little bit. See, in this line number 3, there is a suit. And under the suit, how many tests you have added as of now? 1.
one thing.
So one test case is for Firefox. So now you have to copy the test from line number 4 to 9 and paste it 3 times because you are planning to launch 3 browsers.
Yeah.
You agree with me?
Yes, I agree with you. And now I have to change the test name as because each test will run by a single name. So I have changed the name. So here I provide the input as Chrome and Edge for this.
Don't run. See, this is still cross-browser testing. Means now what will happen? This test case will execute first. Means this login will happen first with Firefox. Then again login will happen with Chrome. Then again login will happen with Edge. And they will execute line by line. Means first it will execute, then this will execute, and then this will execute. But this is not parallel. To do parallel, right? After suit here, you need to write parallel is equals to, please do that.
Okay.
Space, yeah, parallel, yeah, just press enter, yeah, is equals to, what do you want to run parallel? Tests. You have created 3 tests, right? So tests.
Yes.
So this is how your test cases will now run parallelly. You can run it. Is it executing one by one? No, all 3 parallelly. No, all actually, the browser called Mozilla is little slow. So you can see Edge is also parallelly launching. You can see at the bottom of your screen. Or we can do one more thing. This is done. I'll suggest you something. Go back to the code. Do one thing. Don't maximize your browser so that you can see all the 3 browser present. So you can comment your line 39. Now you will be able to see all the 3 browsers for sure. You can launch this. So this is your edge.
Yeah.
And you can see behind Chrome is also running. And just drag it every one of them little bit here and there just to see. And you can see Mozilla is also launching.
It closed due to driver.fit.
Yeah. So this is how we can do parallel test. Getting idea?
Yeah, I found it.
That's really great. That's really great. Take me again to the code. I want to see something. Can you also generate the report for this?
Yeah. By generating the report, in the test output, in this test output, there is one file, HTML file name called emailable report. By using open with web browser, we can able to visible the file.
Generate the report. Okay. Scroll down once, please. Okay. Okay. Something looks wrong to me. Okay. Is it because you're using the older version of TestNG? I'm not sure. Give me the access. I'll just cross-verify something. 1 minute. So yeah, this is fine. And close your Edge also, Chrome also, and Mozilla also.
Mozilla not open.
Yeah. Sorry for unpinning it. You can take it later. Actually, I just want to see whether all three of them are running parallelly. I'm getting some confusion.
Okay.
So this is Chrome, Edge, and Mozilla.
Yeah, fine.
Okay. Yeah, this is parallel. Okay, wonderful, great. I somewhere feel your TestNG is not the latest one because the way you are getting report, right? It's little like a old version. I can cross verify that also.
Okay, sir.
So you're using 7.4 with Java version 17. Okay. Possibly there will be some compatibility issue, but that's fine, no problem. Our test case is perfectly fine. Yeah, that's great, Senthil. Senthil, can you also show me how grouping concept works in TestNG?
Yeah, definitely.
Please show.
So in this grouping concept, I am using test annotation. Name it as grouping. Importing test annotations. After that, I have create multiple in this grouping. I have name it as 01.
Hmm.
This inside one, I have entered it as test case 01.
Hmm.
So I have created 5 to 6 test cases. So each one mentioned as group 2, group 3,
Hmm.
group 4, group 5. So inside the name, first one is test case 01, and second one is test case 01
Hmm.
and test case 02, and third one will be test case 1, 2, and 3,
Hmm.
and fourth one is 04, and fifth one is 4 and 5. So by using group,
Hmm.
I just test case 1, TC1, and I applied all
I mean,
one
how are you grouping them based on what?
based on in the input command. So
I
here test
didn't
case
get.
1, test case 2.
No, 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 Sandil. Can you group them based on testing type,
Okay,
like smoke testing, regression testing,
okay,
component testing, integration testing, something like that?
okay.
Hmm.
In this grouping 1, I just mentioned smoke test 1, and
Hmm.
grouping 2, I have mentioned smoke test and integration testing. Third one is system testing along with the smoke test. Fourth,
I
component
mean, you
test.
can print anything. That's fine.
Okay. Smoke. Once I have grouping all of them, I have create the XML file.
Hmm.
So here, after this, I have to run.
No, before run, you have to do something. No. Before run, you have to do something.
Group.
Yes.
So in this group, I have
No.
to.
Group should be present inside the test.
Okay.
Groups, yeah. You agree with
In
me,
this
right?
group, yeah, I agree with you. In this group, because all the test cases in within test annotation, so groups under test only. So after test, I have to run. So why this run now? Which one have to running? So I have to include the name as smoke. So the same thing.
Let's run only smoke as of now. We'll see, then we'll change.
Okay. Yeah, it's executed as smoke test and integration testing smoke.
Okay. Can you generate a report for this? From there, we can get more better idea.
Yeah.
So in the included groups, I can see only smoke, and I can see two test cases have got updated, are getting run, which is one is grouping 1 and grouping 2. Show me the test case also. Is it grouping 1 and 2 only? So grouping 1 has smoke and grouping 2 also has smoke, but this has system and component. Looks like a good test case. Yeah, wonderful. Can you also include something else? We will also check that.
Yeah. I am including sanity. Smoke and sanity included group.
Yeah, this is very great, Raja. That's really great. That's wonderful. Let's move on, Raja. Shall I ask you the next question?
Yeah.
Okay. Raja, I want you to reverse the array.
Yeah.
So you take the array like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and I want you to reverse it and store it in the new array.
Okay.
Yeah, please go. I'm really happy to see your confidence, Raja. I mean, this is really great. I mean, this shows that you have put in your lot of efforts in order to revise the concept. So how many hours do you generally study?
6 to 8 hours.
6 to 8, really?
Yeah.
Okay. That's really great, Raja.
Thank you.
Okay.
So I'm creating arrays for and integer array. So reference name as actual array and new and I have provide the numbers. I have to store the data. So based on the store the data, 2, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I have 5 numbers. So mentioned as 5.
Okay.
So after creating the array, so I have to reverse it. Before the reverse it, I have to enter the data. So actual array. So the first value will be 2. Four, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we beyond store it, we can array out of index exception we can occur. Okay. Now we store the data. We just array to string the actual array. Now we have to create another array for store the data, reversing storing the data. So I create another integer. New integer, and storage value will be length.
Okay.
Now I am creating for loop for reverse it. Integer I is equal to 0, I plus this, I less than or equal to actual array length. So here I have add another number as j is equal to actual array length minus 1. Because here we are applying to the for loop, it will be take it as 4. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So we come to 4, that's why we applied here minus 1. So j minus minus. Why? Because we have to go down. So here reverse array of j is equal to actual array of I. Here it will go forward. Here it will come for. Here it will go backward. Here it comes forward, so that it will store the data. So it's in array format. So we have to apply the arrays to string. This only we can execute.
Okay. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Okay. Show the code again, please. Can you just explain the for loop once, how it is happening?
So in this for loop, we have in this basically for loop working on, we have output data. It will execute it. if we don't know the output value, we use while loop. So in this for loop, there is three conditions. We have to first condition is final one is incrementing, and the middle one is condition, and the first one is set the values of declaration and declaration and initialization. So first completed by declaration and initialization. After this condition will be occurs. If this condition is not satisfied, this will increment or decrement. So here reverse array I have mentioned, and also previously I have mentioned reverse array storage as 5. So it in this J here, actual length of array here, actual length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So here actual reverse array of 4 is equal to actual array of I is equal to 0. So here the first iteration, it will come fourth index of array will be 10, and first actual array of 1 is 2. So it will store the data accordingly.
So 0 will go to 4, 1 will go to 3, something like this.
Yeah.
Okay. That's really great. This is really great, Senthil. Please run one more program, Senthil. Take one string.
Okay.
Can you explain me the concept of mutability and immutability by taking a string called, let's say, Manish or Senthil, and anything with the concept of string buffer builder and string concept. Just I want to know what is the meaning of mutability and immutability.
Okay. Once we in this string, the string is usually called as immutable, and string buffer and string builder is called as mutable, because string we can once it will be fixed. So because it used string pool storage, but string buffer and the string builder used as string heap memory. So it is easy to accessible and easily to reverse it, and anything we can do it very short span of time. In the string, it takes a huge process. For example, in the each string, if you want to reverse the string, we need to character wise we have to locate it and change it. But here it is mutable, so it is easily changeable.
Got it. Can you show me a program?
Okay. So here I have mentioned the string name 1 as Senthil and name 2 as Manish. So it's easily reversible. But here we have to in this string we have to convert it as char array for individually split the data. Based on the char array, we have to reverse it.
No, I got it. No, Senthil, I'm saying you have taken one string called as Senthil, right? Can you show
Okay.
me by performing some operations on Senthil? Can you show me that strings are immutable?
Okay.
And similarly, you have taken string buffer as Manish, right? Can you modify this Manish just to show me that string buffer are mutable?
Okay.
You agree with me, right? That strings are immutable and string buffer are mutable.
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
difficult to changeable. It's easy to changeable.
yeah. If you need my help, ask me.
Okay. Can I reverse it or
No, no, no. I'll help you. Wait. Give me access. See, what I'm saying is, if I have a name one concat, if I write here Raja,
okay?
and if I try to print name one, and if I have name two, and if I append the body,
Okay.
and if I try to print it, do you want to guess what is going to print as a name one and name two? You want to guess?
Yeah. Here, name one will be Sendil only because we are not yet store the data. Here, it automatically store the data.
Uh, That is fine, Raja, but you are absolutely correct. But we have to explain in a different fashion. Like generally, strings, right? They're immutable in nature. That means no one will be able to modify your string. You will only be able to create a new string. So if I run my name one will be Senthil only. But if I run my name two, but now my name two is going to be Manish Tiwari because it has appended. Why? Because string buffer are mutable in nature. Mutable means something that you can change.
Okay.
I can run this. You can see where it went. Here, okay. Here is the console. Oh, here. Okay, okay, okay. So now we can see, though I have concatenated Senthil with Raja, but still I'm getting my answer as only name because they are
Sent.
immutable. You can't change any string. You can only create a new string.
Yeah.
But I modified my Manish to Tiwari. It is mutable. That's why I could able to change it.
Okay.
You agree with me?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. That's fine. Fine, Raja. That's all from my side. I think you have a very good, solid knowledge. I was really very happy to take your mock interview. Many students they don't know how to do parallel testing, cross-browser testing, grouping. That's one of the reason why I'm not much comfortable asking such type of question with many students. So I was happy that you were able to do it. And reversing a array also many students suffer a lot. So I was really very happy that you could do it. I could see a special what to say. Uh, I mean, you are not at all fear, and you could do everything with your knowledge. That shows that you have done a lot of hard effort. So I'm really very much happy for you, and I'm pretty sure that whatever the knowledge that you have showed here, this will really help you a lot. I can promise you, God promise, you will definitely get a very good job in future and such a package that will really astonish your whole family or maybe you also. So that I can really see, and I'm pretty sure that that will really going to be happen very soon. My all best wishes are with you.
Thank you, Manish. And thank you so much for the way you are teaching. And I am really happy about to join the GroTechMinds because initially I just hesitate to join, but later I just cover all the. Basically, I am the mechanical engineer background. I don't know about anything about Java. This is the first time I just learning. Within this short span of time, I learn everything, and I just come to under just 60 to 70 concepts. All the Java I can able to uh, grasp it. Thank you so much for the support, the way you're teaching. Really,
That's
it's
really
awesome.
great.
Yeah,
That's really great, Senthil. I'm really happy the way you presented yourself today. That was really very good, very good. Anyone will be really happy to take you. I'm really sure.
thank you.
Thank you, Senthil. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, bye.
Bye bye.